Tintilla estate, where we are today, was the first vineyard in the Hunter Valley, or in fact the world, to purchase Xivana Prime. Xivana Prime is a new foliar fungicide which offers a unique mode of action within the Australian viticultural industry, particularly for managing downy mildew. It's of the new group 49 chemistry, which gives us a new option in controlling or resistance management for downy mildew.
Downy mildew would be one of the worst diseases that we have locally because of that humidity in our summer. It damages leaves, it can also damage crops as well if you don't manage it properly, and that can be very costly over the season. I use Xivana Prime as part of my pest and disease management program that I do for the season, and I think it's important to have something that you can have at a slightly later stage of some of the other chemicals that are available, and it works really well. It's semi-systemic, so the Xivana will move through the leaf from one side to the other, so it means it doesn't matter if you've only got half a leaf covered or one side only covered, you're going to get the whole leaf covered over time, and that means you've just got that extra bit of protection that you might not otherwise get.
Very little downy mildew was observed in the blocks that were treated with Xivana Prime, and we found that control was as good, if not better, than products currently used within the spray program. The key benefits of Xivana Prime is that it's got a very low dose rate, has very good rain fastness, it's very soft on beneficials, in particular bees. It's very efficacious at those low rates. It has an extended period of activity, that 10 to 21 days, and we find it has very good compatibility. Xivana Prime is quite flexible in its use rates. Typically we can use it early or we can use it later in the season. The prime window that we try to target is the flowering fruit set period, but with Xivana Prime it allows us to extend the application window out to EL31 in that pre-bunch closure period, which in that scenario there's not a lot of products available that we can use, which gives us quite good control late season.
To get the most out of Xivana Prime, there's a couple of key things that needed to be added. That includes an adjuvant to make sure that the active can actually get inside the leaf and inside the actual plant to do its best protection of downy mildew. And also from a resistance management point of view, adding it with another downy mildew product from a different mode of action chemistry group is essential to prolong the life and resistance to downy mildew of Xivana Prime.
Xivana Prime has significant potential for the control of downy mildew in Australia, and we believe it'll offer significant advantages over current chemistry that's available at this point in time.